All right, friends, to get started on our fuel pump relay module, you want to go to the left rear wheel well. Once you're inside there, you'll be able to see it right directly behind this plastic area. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could try to access everything, and more than likely you could probably remove it without taking anything apart. But I'm just going to go ahead and take this off. That way there I have plenty of room. Now that we have a nice clear view of the area, let's continue on by pressing down on this center tab right here. After that, give this a nice wiggle and draw it right off. I always like to take a peek at all my electrical connectors and make sure I don't see any funny colors. If you see something in there, well, you either need to service it or replace your pigtail. Let's set this aside for now and continue on by removing our 2 mounting bolts. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, now it's time to get our brand new sensor in here. Let's go ahead and line it up with where it needs to go. We'll start in both of our bolts, then we'll snug them up. You don't want to over tighten this so it cracks the plastic. Keep that in mind. Okay. So that's bottomed out right there. Just going to go a teeny bit more. We'll do the same to the other. Bottomed out, teeny bit. Perfect. Let's grab our electrical connector, apply a tiny bit of dielectric grease to the connector point, and connect it in. Listen for a click, give it a nice tug. Let's get our plastic back in here. Remember that it goes behind the plastic bumper. There we are. Let's start in all of our screws and then snug them up. Okay, friends, now all you need to do is start up the truck, take it for a road test, and make sure there's no check engine light.